we're back at it again with another CLO. For today's episode, I'll be showing you how to search effectively for your research using scholarly engines and Boolean operators. So my topics for this episode are informatics nurse specialist, electronic medical records, and lastly, social media use in healthcare. So I'll be using PubMed, Scientific, and Google Scholar for my scholarly search engines. So these are academic search engines that compose of articles and journals that are reliable for your research. As for Boolean operators, these connects your search words to either narrow or widen your set of results. Examples of these are and, or, and not. So I'll be using and as my Boolean operator for this episode to help me narrow the articles for my topic that I'll be searching. So with that being said, let's get into it. We're now going to search informatics nurse specialist in PubMed, resulting to 593 articles. We will narrow it down by adding the Boolean and the keyword older adults. Adjust the date by 2020 to 2021. And we narrow it down by 5 articles. Next, in Science Direct, we have 3,313 results. And let's narrow it down by adding the Boolean and keyword. And we can still narrow it down by clicking the year 2021 and the subject area of the article in nursing and health professions. With that, it will result to one article. In Google Scholar, we have a result of 48,800. Let's narrow the result by adding the Boolean and keyword and adjusting the last update since 2021, and we now narrow it down for about 348 results. Again, in PubMed, let's search the word electronic medical records, which will lead us to 24,700 results. Let's add the Boolean and the word disease. Let's also adjust the year by 2020 and the text availability to free full text and article type to clinical trial. With that, it will lead us to only 14 articles. Same with Science Direct, upon searching electronic medical records, it leads us to 228,321 results. By adding the Boolean and the keyword disease, and filtering it to year 2021, review article, and nursing and health professions, we can narrow it down to 43 results. Again, with Google Scholar, upon searching it electronic medical records, it will show a result of 3,840,000. So we narrow it down by adding Boolean and keyword. We also adjust the date and sort it by date to have a result of 1,120. Last is searching social media use in healthcare, and it will result to 132. By adding the Boolean and the keyword COVID-19 and adjusting the filters to free full text and clinical trial, it will now lead us to 2 articles. Next, in Science Direct, let's search social media use in healthcare, and it will result to 32,271. Again, narrowing it down by adding the Boolean and keyword COVID-19 and filtering it to year 2021 article type by review articles and subject area by nursing and health professions, the articles will be narrowed up to 4 results. Lastly, in Google Scholar, searching for social media use in healthcare will lead us to 4,120,000. Let's narrow it down by adding the Boolean and keyword. Let's also adjust the date and sort it by date, and with that, the articles will be narrowed down to 649 results. So that's about it for this video. So if you learned something from this video, please hit the like and